When we click on two buttons we have created, and all the buttons was bringing the data from other files. So let's do the right click and open with live server again. Open with live server. Localhost, it was 5500. Click of this. Check now. I want to click on get comment. 500 record was supposed to come. Get comment function will read the data from here, and it will display inside the page 500 comments. So internet is required. Let me check once. This data getting the list of comments. Comments are not coming. Sometimes you slow. This way. Upload for everyone or anyone have problem. You can go for the paragraph. The get comment function, what is doing now? Get comment function is sending one request to this URL. Get comment function has sent one request to this URL. After sending the request to this URL, from that URL, some data will come. It will get captured by then function. Then function will convert into JSON object. Then after that, again another then function will give you the data in the form of array. And after that, for that array, we are running a map and we are getting the list of paragraph. So inside this comment body, inside this comment list, you can see here some more are also coming. It is not only comment list. Let me go here. It is not only the body. There is some more element. Let's copy this and check here in the browser. What else are coming? These all are the data. There we have printed only body, name and email is still pending. So let us go and print the name and email also. Some more thing will apply inside. We will add here one data and close this division in the last. Division open and close the division in the last here. And after that, inside the division now paragraph is going to generate. Inside the division paragraph is going to generate. This page will not run directly. Okay, you have to run through live server. Yesterday you saw how to run through live server. So you have to run in that way. You have to do the right click, open with live server. I send the code, please use quickly. Now come inside, print the name of user, data equal to data plus, open the H5 tag or H4 tag and print there the info dot H4 tag I closed here. We will print here info dot name. So name will come in H4. After that paragraph also we can use to display the email ID. So at this place I will use a small tag is there in HTML, a small tag that will reduce the font size. Using this one we can print the email. We can print the email. Division open close, name. So division open close, H4 open close, small open close, paragraph open close, division. So let's make this. And then for this division, we can write a class called comment. We can write a class called comment so that we can write some CSS and this page will look better. Comment will display properly in one line, two comment or maybe three comment. Depend. Ready? Ready? CSS we can write next. Like in one line, we can display two comment. Two comment in one line. Float left we can use there. Come there to the CSS we have not made. So in the same file we can write CSS also. In the same file we can write CSS here after escape.
Sir, please share my function, only one function.
Which function?
map function data.
My function or comment function?
Map function.
Map. Oh, this one is not written.
Yes.
Map function. But next year you have to define a data variable. Okay, so let us go. This is not a script. It is called a style. We should open the style and close the style. Under the style, what is the class name? Class name is called comment. So how to create the class? Using dot. Using dot. COMMENT comment. And for this comment, you will write margin 2%. Margin 2%. Okay. After that, padding 1%. 1%. Okay, or padding is not required. You can leave also padding. Let it be margin. And width will be how much? 2 and 2, 4%. 46%. 45% give as a width. You can give 46 is also okay. It's actual calculation. And float left. Colon left. After that, border hyphen bottom. Border hyphen bottom. Bottom 2 pixel solid blue color or 2 pixel dotted you can apply. 2 pixel dotted blue color. 2pf solid dotted blue color. So this comment will come, but for that CSS will get applied. In one line, 2 box will appear, and it will have the border bottom 2 pixel, and that border bottom will be this type of border, dotted border. Dot. Ready? Sit now. Click on comments. List of comments are coming. Border bottom. But it's look like little up down. Can you see that? Up down is there. Okay, because we have to set somewhere mean height. Let's go. Set the mean height. Mean height per hour. Minimum height 250 or maybe 300 pixel. Then it may look equal. Okay, then it will look equal. For how many people comment comes, if you say me yes, no, then we can guide you if any problem. Already have to get comment. CSS we written. Next button click we are calling the function. Whichever the CSS we have applied, in that it will come perfectly. Yeah, we can add in that one class called text left. Text align. Text hyphen align we can apply as a left. Text align as a left. So that your content will print from the left side. It will not print in the middle directly. It will not print in the middle directly. Okay, let us check now. 300 become, I think, more. Comments are coming. 2 comment in one line. 200 will be okay or more than that. Try with the 200. 200 should be okay. Or maybe 250 also may require. Okay, 200 is okay. Click on this. 200 is fine. 200 height is okay. Based on 200, it is coming proper. On page load, we can call that function. It will give you list of data whenever the page will load. See here. So go to your page. Go to your page and here on load. On load. On load. Whenever the page will reload will happen. On load. Call the function called get comment. Get comment. So whenever the page reload will happen, by default it will display with the comment list. It is which is this line. We have written here no on click. We have written on click. We have learned one event in JavaScript on load. When page will load, this function will call automatically. So once page will load, it will display all the comments. See, I will go to my page, and if I refresh the page, you can see all the comments came automatically. If I go to some other page, see, I will go to the service page. Right? If I refresh my page, on load will happen. Now service will not come. By default, which one will come? Comment list will come. Why it is happening? Because on load, I call the function called get comment. Get comment function, wherever it is inside the page, it will go fetch all the data, convert into the division paragraph, everything, and pass to the container as a inner HTML. And for that purpose, onload we called here. Running for 2 people. What about Amir, Divya, Then another one, Praveen Kumar. Other people write. If you say yes, no, I can move fast. Else I'll wait for your response. Okay, hope ready. But some people are also coming. Cool. So next we have to see the next challenge. Okay, so this is static page you have created. The data was coming, data was coming. Now we have one more challenge here, another URL. Okay, so this URL you are loading. So you understood what is the task of UI developer? Data is available in the server in JSON format. You read from here and display here just as a paragraph, paragraph, paragraph. Right? Come. Go here, next. Now write one more function. Write one more function called get user. And in that, I will give one URL. You have to print only length of that. Get user is the function. Get user and write here called user list. User list. Okay. Now, so after looking into the button, what you understood? That you have to create a function called get user. You have to create a function called get user, and under the get user function, we have to do something, right? So what you will do, I will give the URL for that. Okay, so button, create a button, call a function called get user, and in get user function, read the data from this URL. I have said one URL in the chat. Read the data from that URL and display the length of that. Find out the length of that. How you are reading the comment list. How we have read the comment list. Similar way, one more URL came to your chat. Read the data from that URL and display the length of that user. So this is the URL. Read the data from this URL on button click. Which button click? User list. When we click on user list, read the data from this URL. After reading the data from this URL, after reading the data from this URL, display their alert their length, like how many users are there. For example, yesterday you saw after reading the data from here, we display the length at this place. Here what we are displayed? We have displayed the length. Similar way, read the data from this URL and alert the length of user. How many users are there? Try that. Okay. I will wait for your response for next 10 minutes. Who is responding me? How many users are there? Read the data from this URL based on current example. We have created one example. Based on that example, write one more function get user, read the data from this URL and display the length of that. How many users are there? How many users are there? Anyone else? One person replied, 10 users, waiting for all the reply from everyone. Okay, 10, 10, 10, cool. Many people have done. Okay. So if you have done that, then fine. Share me the function. Anyone? One function share that is called Grameen. Okay, let me use this. Okay, whoever are not able to do, they can use that function. Get user will say the length of user. User list, it says user list how many? 10 users are there, right? Take the function. Now we can use the similar method. This one. The logic will be same. This logic will be same. Inside we have to print so many things. Name, mobile, age, many are there. Try printing name, mobile, age, whichever the data are coming in that, print that. Name, phone, company, some details will be there. See here, if you open this URL, you will find so many things. If you open the URL, you will find here so many things. What are that are there? See here, there is something like this, something like this. Okay, so we want you to print the name, username, email. Name, username, email, and then phone number and website. These four you think you print. Phone number, website, name, email. These three, first three, and the phone number and website. Print both. That should look like this. When we click on user, it should print here. Yeah, you can follow the same format. Let it be comment, print here remaining. Original data.info came, info.name, info.email, info. Which one? What else we have? ID. ID, info.website, info.company. Print those things. See what are the objects comes in that. Print all. Are they both anything printed? Yes. Say no, just see. Comment why user. Users, USERS. Switch for the job. सर अब आपका जिम्मेदारी
Thank you.
ठीक है, ज्वाइन करके बताइएगा कब 4 पर 4 पर।
ठीक है सर, हमको निकल जाए।
फर्स्ट जब कंपनी ज्वाइन करते हैं ना कहीं, आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग इन द कंपनी, read the mindset of people who can help you. The first task after going to the industry, okay, you should find a good friend who can help you. Okay, and we should not make a friend anyone forcefully. Read mindset. Who is the person who can help me? Okay, that's the first task. Not in a small company, big company. First task, okay. And once someone is behind you to support, after that nothing. Something wrong also. Okay. And then suppose when the company will give the task we should not start from the complex one. Whenever anyone give the task, start from the smallest one. Like suppose they're given the 4 tasks. In that, if you start from 1, 2 hour, 3 hour, 1 is completed, you have a proof, yes, 1 is ready. So, if someone is asking, you say, oh, 1 is ready. Means they will say, okay, he has the knowledge. If you started from the bigger one, it will take 3 days. For 3 days in their mindset, what will run is not available. Is not available. Ye technical nahi hai. And main thing is like your effort. Your effort in the sense your honesty is the big policy everywhere. Okay. So बाजी नहीं करना चाहिए हमको. Whichever we have the extra knowledge that is there. जो भी आपके पास है बेस्ट परफॉर्म कीजिए. इसके बाद उसमें की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर internally if you feel like oh, there is a lot of politics, then you can think like okay how to. तब environment को समझिए उसके हिसाब से, because in the big company there is a lot of politics also. You will do the work and someone else will show the work. Your effort and credit will go to someone else. Okay, so वो भी बहुत बड़ा गेम होता है. Task is done by someone else and the credit will go to someone else. वो सब देखिएगा बाकी. Knowledge तो ये है, उसमें क्या है, ये lot of knowledge is survive. ठीक है, चलिए. वो कहाँ है, रोहित कहाँ है?
वो आने वाला था, उसका थोड़ा कुछ काम आ गया।
ओके,
आएगा वो।
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, आने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. वहाँ पे रहिए, अपना काम कीजिए. बाकी जिस जो
साहब बोल रहे समय पे करना है,
गुरुवे समर्पितम क्या है भाई, मतलब कि द पर्पस यू केम, यू फाउंड द डेस्टिनेशन नो, जिस पर्पस के लिए आप आए थे आपका पर्पस पूरा हो गया ना, कमिटमेंट जो था हो गया ना, बस अब बाकी याद रखिएगा।
ये आपने हेल्प किया है सर।
ठीक है चलिए। ओके okay, so users you have read. After reading the users, what you did inside the user, what are the parameters you have? Look at there. Inside the users, the first parameter we have called name, username, and email. So we'll go here and we'll print name. After that email, and then what we have, username. After that, what else we have? Next we have called website, phone and website. So add here phone and website also. Add here phone and website as well. Add the phone and website. Info.phone. Info.website. Info.phone. Info.website. Name, email, username. Username, how it is? Is it camel case or directly? Username, email, phone and website, right? Next, after that, get user function I have. User function is there. Okay. So this is the first level of data. This is the first level of data inside the array. Array is a multi-level array. So we'll guide you how to get the second level of data. After user list, still is showing 10 only for me here. Oh, reason is here. I should write here data. Original data dot length is written. I should write here called data. Data variable. Data variable. Okay. Now after that, see, users are printing like this. Next, after this, you can see there is an address also. Address is the next level. Inside the address, we have a street, suit, city, zip code. Correct? So let's go and print the address point now. So here, next we can write one more data variable. We can write one more data variable. Inside we can print. Inside we can print call address.city, info.address. Inside the info, you will find the address, ADDRESS, address.city, info.address.city, info.address.city, info.address.city. Info.address.city. Correct. What we have next? Info.address.zip code. Info.address.zip code. .zip code. Info.address.zip code. Check till here. The data is coming on.
Coming, sir.
Coming.
Yes, sir.
We have one more object. See, this becomes your nested level. So main level you have info. Inside the info we have second level called address. And inside the second level of address we have city and pin code. right? Similar way, we have some more field. If you look into the array here, you have one more called company. Company have the name, and after that something chase page, catch page, catch page, catch page, right? So how to print that? So we can write here. We can write one more paragraph, and before website you can write that company. Okay. So info.company dot which one? Info.company dot name. Okay. Info.company.name, then website, then city, and then address. See, inside the array, what is coming? There is a two level of array. The first level of array you have, that is main element. Second level of element you have called company. Again, you have second level of element you have called address. So if you want to reach till city, you have to follow the address, then only you can reach. Because city is the part of the address. And zip code is also part of the address inside the JSON data. Check this. Ready? Check now. So hope you got idea how to print the data on nested level. See, all are coming here. Everything. When you go to the comment, lot of data will come. When you go to the user, lot of data will come. Right? 10 users are there, so all are coming here. Now we need to implement one more array. There you will get little more idea. Little more idea. Okay, so shall I give one more URL? Let's come. No, it is not optional. It's compulsory. We need to do that. Let's take this URL. This is a PHP URL where the data will come from the PHP backend, and it will come in the form of array. Take this URL. One URL came to a chat. Write a function call. Write one more function where car list. Car list equal to fetch. Inside the fetch, you will use here car list. Car list. Can you get the length from here and let me know how many lengths are there? How many car are there? It is also same how you have called the top URL, similar with this also. Check now how many elements are there? Hope you are writing. We need to find out the length and understand what is the length. Alert. Just do the alert. Original data dot length. How many? Some people reply. Four individuals should write the code. For you both, how many? Hmm? This is the code. No? Look there. This much only. You have to create a button. Button click. You need to call car list. Create a button, and on button click you have to call the car list. So hope car list came. How many? 23. 23 will come. There will be total 23 cars. On button click, it will display you total 23 cars. Okay. Go ahead. Next then. Here. There. How many? I know can remember this vigilant. 23 will come. Create a variable again. And from that, array model, price, and version. Three things you can print. First, open that URL in browser. See what is coming. Open the We need to print the model, price, and then version. Three things. In that URL, if you open the URL, you will get to know there is a model. There is a price. There is a version. Model, price, version. Print those much. Model, price, and version. Model, price, and version. Model, price, and version. See it now. If you will open this URL now, open the URL, there will come as a model, price, and version. That model, price, and version we are printing. Getting model, price, version. The model, price, version. Model, price, version. These things are coming. There only we have photo also. We can display the photo also. I'll guide you how to display the photo. So please confirm. Model, price, version is coming. Then we can display the photo and other stuff. Now come down, print here one image. Go here. Now we need to display the photo. So for photo purpose, you will write again data equal to, there is a car photo also, data equal to data plus open img tab. src equal to This URL you have to add. URL you need to add till API. Till API. After that, see here, hold on. I will not add here directly. It may confuse you more. So I will create a URL here separate. I will create here a variable image URL equal to this one plus img slash this one call info.image 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 info.image. Okay, so photo is available in this server. Photo is also available in the server. Name is coming to your computer. Now after this image URL we can add here. Image URL equal to src add inside this image URL. This image URL. Get image URL plus double quote, but there will be small changes. Before src single quote you have to give. After this single quote you have to give. Then again you have to write the height of the photo. Maybe you can keep 200, and width of the photo you can give 200 by 200 by 200. So this image URL look like it's a difficult line. I will share you in the chat how it works. So image name is coming under the data. Image name is coming in the JSON file. So that image name we have taken here, and we integrated with this URL. In the same URL on the image folder, there is a list of images are kept. So that will come here. Img src equal to image URL height 200 width 200. Then it will work. So this line I'm sharing in the chat. This line will be little more complicated line. It's came to your chat. You can use that. And again, the group we have created, WhatsApp group. Okay, the WhatsApp group we have created. Can anyone add me? Because check once, are you able to add me? I was doing some R&D, my account deleted. I came out from the group. I'm not in the group now. Okay, so if you can check if you can add me in the group and make me admin. But again, if you are admin, then only you can add. If you are not admin, you cannot add this. You can post, but you cannot add me. Check once. That group, anything option there to add anything? Who is admin? You are the admin. It's showing admin. Okay, please add me. In WhatsApp group, okay, if anyone become admin, please make me admin. Add me and make me admin. You are admin? Check. You are admin? That group R&D was doing something happened, it's deleted the account. You are admin. Okay, you can add me and make me admin.
Sir, send this car list code. Send this code, sir. Car list.
Car list.
Yes, sir. Something wrong.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Prasad is the group admin. You can make me group admin, yeah. That I don't know. Okay, group admin, anyone, no problem. Let it be, okay. So the information should go and come. That is okay. Let it be, okay. Let it be. You have option. Okay, if you make me admin, they can then I can add someone. Yes, you can make me admin also.
This image URL, where from you taken?
It is image is also kept in server only. In the server, there is a folder called IMG. Under the IMG, all the photos are kept. Okay. So, but names are coming in the JSON and the photos are in the server. So, name and server URL both we are merging here. Then finally, we will get the you can get the list. Check function. I have shared the complete function in the chat.
Sir, I am not getting image URL. Please explain once.
It is in the server. We are linking from the local computer. Open the URL, no, in that name will come. If you open that URL, which URL? The URL you are accessing here, the PHP URL. If you open this URL, in that there will be photo name. Photo name will come only in this, only photo name will come. But photo is available in the server. So we are taking here name of the photo in variable and address of the photo from the server. Both we combine together. And after that, we store under the image URL that we displayed here. Image name is coming in the variable and image address is in the server. Both we combined and then after that we displayed here image function. I sent car list function. I have sent you already car list function. This is the car list function. You want user list function also. This is the user list function. Let's take this and add here. Both came in a chat. Car list is coming for you both. Okay, this is the URL fill here.
Got it, sir.
Are you getting the image list? User list is separate. Comment list is coming from other server. And after that, car list is coming from other server. Your JavaScript is a client language. It has read the data from server, run the loop and everything, generated the output and displayed inside the page. So once you join the company, okay, as a UI developer, you will also get the similar URL. Company will give the URL and they will say on this URL there is the data, on this URL there is the data, read the data, display inside the page. Okay, read the data and display inside the page. That we have to do. Right, so we should not feel overload. Definitely it's a new difficult things. Okay. It's a new thing, difficult thing, but we have to learn it. I will give 2 more URL. That is your homework. 2 more URL I'll give you. That will be your homework. Please try in home. Take this URL. One is called post and then kudos. Post and then kudos. See, URL is same, okay? URL is same. Inside what extra will come is post and then kudos. The last word will get changed. Okay, so what you have in the last, we have comments. Instead of comments, you have to give as a post. Instead of users, you have to give called kudos. Okay, so this 2 URL, you will read from the data from here. You will create 2 button and you will try to display the data from that page. That will be as a something homework for you. So take this 2 URL. So what we have to change? The URL we have read the comment. In that, instead of comment, you will keep as a post. And instead of post, you will put as a todos, TODOS. And then it will give the list of users. It came to your chat, check once. Okay, someone posted in the group also. Not working? Only targets. So here is
तेरा चेहरा जब
okay, then we'll see you tomorrow again. Not tomorrow, Monday. Please implement those 2 URL. Please implement this here. Code file has been. You want code, then this is the code. Index file is the main file. It is available in the chat, you can download it. Index file is the main file. It's there in the chat, you can download it.
Sir,
Can you hear me?
sir, full form of API, sir.
Which one?
API.
Hear you.
Hello.
Index file is available in chat, download it. Here is the in the comments. Where is that function? First open this and check this URL. The URL is the promised data is not. That means you have done some mistake in the URL. This URL. HTTPS colon/colon. HTTPS colon API/star.php response.json. You open this URL first and check are you getting the data. If data is coming on that URL, then you can save the data. Data then URL in the here info.email locate. We will follow command data is data is given because we write SRC double single. We write that non-byte. What is something that is both of them are same. They went to interview one day from Mumbai. Three people, 30 people left. Cos 2pi r SP equal this regular has to be something past data. Comment insert. Make your yes. FIRS cos minus x greater than x. Okay, then people can log out. Praveen, I think you are 2 o'clock or 3:30. 3:30.
Okay, sir.
What Node.js, you are learning Node.js also?
No, sir.
No, not Praveen for you.
Actually, I was waiting because it is still recording, so maybe you are going to be something else. So,
Recording going on. Hold on, let us stop it.
okay, sir. Thank
I
you.
was fixing some problem for some people.